you're experiencing frame stuttering in Fortnite, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Fortnite. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options like shadows, textures, and effects to improve performance and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve the game's performance. Step 4. Check for overheating. Make sure your computer is not overheating. Clean out any dust from your PC and ensure that fans are working properly. Overheating can lead to performance issues. Step 5. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the Epic Games launcher. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, which can help resolve stuttering issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Fortnite gameplay. If problems persist, consider seeking further technical support or check in community forums for additional solutions.